Hey guys, it's Laura at TravelOz 4x4. Today we're going to do a little tutorial on how to open the Alucab 270-degree awning. Once you've got your bag unzipped, you're going to push the canvas out of the way. Three Velcro straps. Pull the arm all the way around. If it's raining, you can pop the canvas stand, but you'll let the water run straight off. When you're ready to get back on the road, make sure you've dropped your rain stand. Then you're going to loosen your keeper strap, take it out, and walk the canvas around. You're going to fold the bottom edge of your canvas so that it's parallel with your arms, and then roll from the bottom. Replace your Velcro straps. And replace your canvas bag.